Now, the political tensions in Pakistan surrounding former Prime Minister Imran Khan spiral to a new level. This time, the country's media watchdog has banned airing of Khan's speeches in press communication. This comes at the same time when the chairman of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf evaded arrest in the Toshakhana case. The Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority on Sunday banned broadcast and rebroadcast of Khan's speeches with immediate effect. The authorities said that the speech by Khan outside his residence in Lahore was provocative and spread hate against state institutions. In his address to the party workers, he had slammed ISI chief and said that he will never bow to any individual or state institution. The authority, in response to this issue, it issued a notice which prohibited all licensees to refrain from telecasting any content which it deems to be against state institutions. It also accused Khan of levelling baseless allegations against the government officials. The authority also warned that the license of broadcasters will be suspended in case of non-compliance. It also took action against a private media channel for telecasting his speech. Reacting to the order, Khan's party said that the government is panicking because of Khan's reach to the masses. PTI leader took this to Twitter and added that it would challenge the order in court and appealed the media fraternity to do the same. Another round of tensions were witnessed outside Khan's Lahore residence on Sunday. Islamabad police came to arrest him with court summons due to his continuous absence from hearings in the Toshakhana case. But the police had to leave empty-handed after they were outnumbered by Khan's supporters. PTI's senior leadership has already appealed to allow Khan to appear virtually in court hearings, citing threat to his life. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.